Okay, the first thing you need to know about FilePro is that it is not mouse driven. FilePro is character based and keyboard driven. Only if you have FilePro GI, the FilePro graphic interface version, do you have any availability of use with the mouse. You can use the mouse to click in fields and do things with the FilePro GI version. But for the large part, most people are using standard FilePro, and the mouse is not usable inside the FilePro window. If you try and use a keystroke, let's say I try and press the up arrow to move my menu choice from 3 to 2 here, it doesn't work. It could be that I don't have focus in that window. This is the sole case in which you can use the mouse. You can bring the mouse over to the window and click it to give focus to the window. Then, of course, by using the up and down arrows, you can move around or use any arrows. You have focus in that window, any key will work. However, the mouse will never work. If you point to a selection like you think you can do in any other Windows program and double click, nothing really happens. You might highlight some stuff, but nothing really functions. The mouse just does not work in FilePro. The only thing that's going to work are keys. And this is true even if you go into a file and you're in a file and you want to update a record and you feel you can click in a field. Don't feel that. This is the one thing you have to remember. FilePro will not let you click here and do anything. You may put a highlight there for a second or something, but you really have to press keystrokes. Press U, then move around with the arrow keys. You can press up and down. You can press Tab to jump to different sections that have been programmed to react to Tab. You can get to different fields on the screen. All you can do is use your keys. Do not try and use the mouse on regular FilePro. Again, FilePro GI, the FilePro graphic interface version, will allow you to use a mouse to click on a field. You could, if this was FilePro GI, point to a field, click, and you would be able to update that field and move around the screen, even click to another field, wherever that is with the mouse. But if you're running a standard version of FilePro, don't think that you can do it, because you can't.